Yeah, we're out here today fishing with the Chanels. We got Ragina, Chanel, Herman. We got the girls today. Look at them. We got a fish on back here. We got Eldon back here. Say hi, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
You all having a good time?
Yes, we are. Good time. And we're catching fish.
Oh, yeah.
Good buzzwords, right? That's right.
Good buzzword. We got a walleye on right here. Yeah. Oh. And there's Mr. Herman. Mr. Herman Chanel, Cincinnati. We got it.
Oh my God. It's me and Peg. It's Joy's fault. Me and Peg. Oh, it's my fault. I didn't say it. You did say that she likes to call Peggy. It's Peg. I know. It's Peg. It's not Peg. Don't say that. That's not my name. I'm bothered. Oh, shut up.
Nice walleye.
Okay. That's it.